Hey guys, really quick this afternoon I wanted to pull some cocktail dresses. I actually had a request for it, so these specifically are sizes 6 to 10. So they are cocktail dresses that could be used for, you maybe have a fun fashion for your pageant coming up, or you have a crowning coming up, or you have a special event that you have to wear a short cocktail dress for, especially our pageant girls. If you have, a lot of you are going to go back to your county fairs that you won previous years, and you may have to do appearances and different things like that. These are all really great dresses for that. I did pull stuff that's going to be a little more on the dressier side. If you are planning to go back to the fair that you won last year and you need something a little simpler, we do have stuff like that, and so come in and see that. So the first one that I pulled today, I'm going to try to go through these pretty quickly. This one is a red satin bodice, and then it is a black skirt with little cherries on it. Super adorable. This would be really cute if they asked you to do kind of like a summer themed like cocktail dress. It does have pockets, which are super fun. The back of it's a little V back in the back, and then it is a zipper back skirt. This one is a Sherry Hill size 6. It retailed for $300 and we have for $155. Alright, next I have another super fun one. It is a tulle skirt, kind of layered, almost ruffled a little bit. The waistline there is fully beaded, and then it is a red satin bodice. It is a corset back, so there's that. This one is a Maggie Saturo. It retailed for $150. It's a size 6, and we have it for $68. Alright, next, this is one of my absolute favorite colors right now. I am always a big fan of green, but this one's kind of more of like a teal green, which isn't the typical color that I usually lean towards, but I really, really love this color right now. And it's absolutely adorable on, and this taffeta skirt has this nice, really pretty shine on it. It is a lace bodice, and it does have a little bit of an illusion neckline there, and it is a cap sleeve. And then the back of it's a big cutout back, and then it does have this cute little tie bow at the top. And then the skirt is a zipper skirt, and the skirt does have these really pretty stones on them. This one is a Sherry Hill size 6. It retailed for $550 and we have it for $256. Alright, another really great one. This would be really cool for a 4th of July kind of look, even though it's navy, but it does have really pretty clear and silver and navy sequins all the way down it, and then some stones right there in the middle, which is absolutely adorable. It is an illusion neckline, and the back has a little bit of a keyhole there, and then it is illusion of the back. This one's a Sherry Hill size 6. It retailed for $350 and we have it for $174. Alright, next, this one, another super cute one. This one is a silver kind of gray tulle skirt. It does have a cute little ruffle trim kind of edging, and then it is a fully beaded bodice with these clear stones. It is an illusion neckline. I don't know if you can see my hand through that, but that is illusion fabric through there, and it does kind of have a deep V right through there, but it is pretty like covered illusion, so it has tons of stones, so it's not as noticeable. The back of it is that illusion fabric once again right through here, and that little racer back kind of look, and it does have, so this is your back of the top, it does have 2 straps there, and then it has tons of beading, and then the waistline of the skirt is also beaded. This one's a Rachel Allen size 6. It retailed for $250 and we have her at $125. You can never go wrong with black, and right now you can never go wrong with a 2-piece. So this one is a 2-piece jersey, and it has full beading, these really pretty stones that as soon as you get up on like the stage lights, they shine so well. Like in my little circle light, they are glistening, so pretty. This is a off the shoulder strap, which is really cute. It is a 2-piece, and both the skirt and the bodice are zipper backs. This one is a Sherry Hill size 6. It retailed for $400 and we have for $155. Another one of my favorites. For me, I have to be really tan to be able to wear this color, but there's some really pretty, there's so many girls that can wear this color, and it's adorable. So it's a really kind of pretty taupe, almost like rose gold type shade. It does have pockets, and it's really elegant satin. It is a little bit of a kind of a deeper sweetheart neckline through there. These beads are going to be more of that rose gold color, which is absolutely adorable. It is a off the shoulder strap, and then it does have kind of a V neckline and back and a zipper back. This one is, it's a Sherry Hill size 8. It retailed for $500 and we have it for $250. Alright, next, another fan favorite is this adorable floral. This one is another really good one for appearances and things like that. This is a really pretty floral skirt, and then it is a black satin. I'm pretty sure it does have pockets. It is kind of, well, okay, so it would be a deep V neckline. I'll show you the back of this, guys. They have altered it to where it is cinched together. So this right here is that mesh insert that goes down. So that, from what I can tell, that can be let out, but that's what they've done. So it actually looks really, really good. It doesn't look like they've really done that at all, but they took in that mesh insert there and just made it a higher V neckline. It's a V neckline in back, and it is a zipper back. This one is a Sherry Hill size 8. It retailed for, I don't know, hold on, but we have it for $99. Alright, this is another one of my favorites. I just really love green for the most part. The skirt of this is absolutely adorable and so pretty on stage. It is like a watercolor, and so it changes kind of from that blue to green as you like move, which is absolutely gorgeous on stage. And then it is a kind of a champagne nude underlay with a bunch of that teal kind of green shade beading all over. It is an illusion neckline through the top there. It is a high neckline, and then it does have this really big cutout back, and then it is illusion fabric through here. It does have a little bit of a cap sleeve. This one is a Sherry Hill size 10. It retailed for $350 and we have for $140 or $174. I got two more for you guys. This one, another really good one for like 4th of July, red, white, and blue kind of theme. It is just a really nice and simple royal blue chiffon, and then the bodice has like ruching, and then it does have a really pretty beaded waistline, which is adorable. It is a sweetheart neckline, and it is strapless. There's the back of it. It is a zipper back. This one is, it's a size 10. It retailed for $160 and we have it for $65. Alright, one more. A color that we don't tend to get a whole lot of, but that we wish more people would try on because it's absolutely gorgeous on everyone that's had it on before. But this is a really, really pretty, it's like a bright, very saturated royal purple. It's absolutely gorgeous. It does have pockets, which is super fun, and it is an illusion neckline through there, and then it does have a high neckline. I would suggest this for anyone who is just looking to wear something that's a little bit out of their norm, because we know that like when you do pageants, you always are wanting something that like is going to look the very best on you, but like when you go to crown or if you go to do an appearance, you get to like play around and do something kind of fun and maybe step out of that like bounds that you typically wouldn't have for actual evening gown or whatever it may be. This is a Sherry Hill size 10. It retailed for $450 and we have it for $295. Alright, so that's everything I had pulled for you guys today. If you have a request of certain like things that you want to see, especially if you're living really far out of town, if you have a request to see whatever it may be, whether it's pageant related, wedding related, anything at all, send us a message and request that, because we would love to do any, like if I'm going to do these videos, I want to make sure it's things that you like. So I definitely want to hear your requests if you have something that you'd like to see, so let me know. Alright, bye.